Good night, my name is Cristian Triana. I am 26 years old. I live in the city of Facatativa. I studied from engineering ago in 8th semester. Then I will tell you about my vacation this year. They were in the department of Santander, municipality of Barichara. Last October, I went vacation to Barichara with my wife, and it was great. Last September, I went to Barichara, the most beautiful town in Colombia. Barichara is a cute and charming place. It highlights its colonial architecture, the yellow stone of which its houses are blue and the romantic that the streets can be to and sunset. I visit this place of great interest. It is short, the art park, its moods, its restaurant, and its imposing by points to the Rio Solis Canyon. It is a place to take a brief from for Haiti. Life can be the city. Do not decide to Barichara. The climate of Barichara is cool in the mornings. It is a little cold in the afternoon. It is sunny. There are fresh air currents to a close to a canyon, and at night it usually rains frequently. To visit Barichara, I heed the following recommendation. Wear comfortable footwear since in streets around the taken. Take solar protection since the sun midday in its front. Bring irritation and light backpacks if you are going to visit one of Villanueva for the off-road routes. In Barichara there are ants and moss. Place rich car. The price in Barichara are slightly high. You must add a considerable sum of money to not miss anything. You should not stay off-site Barichara, spend more on transport and otherwise value time. Do not forget to carry camera. Thank you.